Joe is a perfect example of everything happens for a reason. I'm so glad to have you in my life as a big brother and a best friend. And on to the better half, Casey. From the moment I met Casey, I knew that she was good for my brother. She is independent, thoughtful, and someone you can always lean on. I knew that she wouldn't only do anything for him, but for everyone in my family.
I promise to encourage you, laugh with you, cry with you, to understand you, and to listen to you. Most importantly, I promise to always give you a bit more of your distance, all the while living in the state of mutual weird.
I promise to always have a big heart and cry during any movie that has an animal in it. To always keep you guessing, like right now. And to always keep cereal in the house.
It is a great honor to be the first to introduce unto you Mr. and Mrs. William Joe.
From the moment we met, I loved my little sister. Sure, there were plenty of times when we drove our parents crazy with all of our fighting, but the fact is, my sister was one of the first people I loved. You're the first person I called to complain to, the only person I can count on to dance in public with me when a good song comes on, and the sixth one. You're the second mother to my children. I couldn't ask for a better sister. Marriage isn't about the big days. It's about the little moments that lead to the big days. If you could raise your glass to Casey and Joe, that'll be fine.